PL mount to EF mount conversion. Included accessories: screwdriver, shim, EF mount ring and lens cap. Note: lenses of different focal lengths require corresponding accessory kits for mount conversion. For example, 85mm PL to EF mount, use the 85mm EF accessory kit. 16mm EF to PL mount, use the 16mm PL accessory kit. Prepare the PL mount lens to be converted. Face the side with screw holes towards yourself. Use a screwdriver to remove the 8 screws on the lens. Remove the PL mount ring. Take out the mount shim. Keep the screws for later use. Store other accessories properly for future reinstallation of the original mount. Remove the 6 screws from the EF mount. Separate the mount and the base plate. Face the side with screw holes towards yourself. Install the EF mount base. Align with the screw holes. Install the 8 removed screws. Install the EF mount ring. Adjust screw hole alignment. Install the 6 removed screws. Mount the lens onto the camera. Check infinity focus performance. See if it aligns with the infinity mark. If aligned, mount conversion is complete. If not aligned, add a shim. Check if the focus accurately reaches the infinity mark. The farther the distance, the thicker the shim needed. The closer the distance, the thinner the shim needed. Place the shim into the mount base groove and align with the screw holes. Install the EF mount ring. Adjust screw hole alignment. Install the 6 removed screws. Tighten. PL to EF mount. Conversion complete.